Atomic Wheels is back. The Tesla Cybertruck arrived already making a statement with its bold design, but we knew there was room to push the limits even further. That's where the custom AWZZ wheels came in, finished in a striking gold that transforms this truck from futuristic to unforgettable. Every angle now radiates power, exclusivity, and pure presence on the road. Today, you'll hear directly from the owner about how this upgrade changed not just the look, but the entire driving experience. Let's dive in. Can you introduce yourself and tell us about your Cybertruck?
Hey, my name's Derek. I'm an automotive enthusiast first and a high net wealth financial advisor second. Grew up in a mechanic shop. I've been around cars all of my life. Never thought I'd be into the electric vehicles, but they've been a whole lot of fun. Decided back in the announcement when Elon announced these things and drove it on stage that I just had to have one. I think I placed the order maybe 45 minutes after the announcement and knew this was going to be one of the toys added to the collection, and super excited about building this thing out.
Why did you choose Atomic Wheels over other brands?
I've had an opportunity over the years to try wheels from nearly every manufacturer. I built a lot of custom vehicles. I jumped on the Atomic Wheels website after seeing them on a Tesla forum and was blown away by some of the weights and the price points that were available, you know, relative to some of the peers, and had to give them a shot. And I reached out, got almost an immediate response from Santiago, talked about some of the custom options, and through the process was at church for a men's event and bumped into Ricardo. We go to the same church together and really hit it off at that event, and I knew based off of the interaction already with Santiago and the personal connection that this was going to be a great fit for me, and was really blown away throughout the process. Did a custom set here, custom color, custom center caps, all the way from the custom renderings that they sent out and showed me ahead of time, the revisions they did for the custom etching on the center caps. Was blown away with the experience, just the level of contact and the level of detail. Part of what I do every day is concierge service, almost boutique level service. I've never had that from a wheel manufacturer, and that's exactly what I got from Atomic. It's been an amazing process.
What was the experience like working with Atomic Wheels?
Yeah, my experience couldn't have been any better. When I sent the first email just through the chat app and got a response almost immediately, they were willing to do a custom color that I was having a hard time getting other people to potentially do with the brush finish with the translucent gold. They had no issue with it. They were able to quote me prices immediately. The communication level from the first step to the renderings to the revised renderings, the discussion about the wide body fenders that we did on this and pushing the offset out, every detail was handled immediately like I was the #1 priority. I really like that. You know, everybody wants to feel like their money is well spent and their business is valued. And I felt that way from day one with Atomic, even before the connection at church and knowing that I knew somebody there personal. It was like that from day one, like I was Joe Blow that they'd never met before.
How did the AWZZ wheels change the look or feel of your truck?
AWZZ was a favorite of mine when I first looked at these things. You know, the factory wheels are super bulky. Wanted to have an opportunity to show off the brake calipers, and one of the big things for me was really the lightweight. When I saw the weight of this particular wheel, I was blown away. I've done a lot of custom wheels on electric vehicles, and they have absolutely killed the range. You know, range anxiety ends up being a big thing for a lot of people if you actually get out and drive these vehicles. These wheels are more than 10 pounds lighter than the factory wheels, expecting to see a big difference in the efficiency, and was just blown away by the design.
What mods have been done to your truck?
A lot of different things I decided to do to this. A wrap seemed like it was going to be necessary from the beginning. We did this Apteryx blue mauve on it. Was really looking forward to the purple. was a LSU fan, an LSU grad for undergraduate. My daughter's favorite color is purple, wanted to do some type of purple theme and something that stood out. The color shift ended up being really cool. Did the cross rails on the back of the bed to mount the Starlink satellite, travel a good bit, go out to some rural areas, the Wi-Fi calling with the satellite, super cool. Did the 2-inch lift rods on it to give me a little extra space for about an inch larger tire on this one. Wanted to have the opportunity just to use the adjustable suspension and show off some of the capabilities of the Cybertruck. So a lot of small details went into this. Be excited to share more of that, but really excited about all the modifications we've done on this one so far.
Would you recommend the atomic wheels to other Cybertruck or EV owners?
I can't tell you how much I recommend atomic wheels. The entire experience has been amazing. I've had the opportunity to work with nearly every manufacturer that makes wheels for custom vehicles. And this process has been amazing from start to finish. If you're looking for a custom wheel for Tesla, electric vehicle, or anything that they manufacture, you should absolutely make them one of your first choices. I can't tell you how valued I felt as a customer or just how special I felt as we went through this process. Definitely keep them at the top of your list for custom wheels. This has been an amazing experience, and I can't tell you enough how much I recommend them.
Any final thoughts about your experience with atomic wheels?
Final thoughts here. I'm blown away by how these things look, all the way down to the details of the custom locking lugs that we did on this one. They helped me customize everything from start to finish. They took the logo that I sent over, did the laser etching. This has been a pretty special project for me. This has been a pet project. Really wanted to build one of these trucks out from the moment that it was announced, and they helped bring my, my thoughts to a reality here, really put this together with the purple and gold and the LSU theme and everything that I envisioned for this truck. Again, can't recommend Atomic enough. This has been an amazing experience, and they should be your first choice for your custom wheels.
If you've made it this far, welcome to the Atomic family. Drop a like, don't forget to hit subscribe, and let us know your thoughts down below to help us keep pushing out the builds and stories you love. We've got a lot more coming your way, so stay tuned. Grab your next set at atomicwheels.com, and don't forget to use promo code YTAtomic10 for 10% off.